Chef Frank, everyone. Just wanted to show you guys a basic seasoning method I like to use. You may notice that the chicken is upside down, right? Skin side down. Usually you don't bake chicken that way, but what I'm doing today is double seasoning. Well, I just hate seasoning just on one side, so I'm gonna season this chicken up and I'm gonna cook it halfway through. Well, I'm gonna season it first, then I'm gonna cook it halfway through, bring it out, turn it over, re-season it, and finish that way. So you have seasoning all over the chicken as opposed to just on one side. I would hope everyone would pick up on this technique to increase the flavor of your chicken. And what I'm putting on here now is just a salt, pepper, and a garlic. Just a basic, basic baked chicken seasoning. And I will have a video for you guys showing you what it looks like when it comes out. So we'll see you in the next video.